So I'm not gonna play TikTok all day here. Let's roll the intro. Yo guys, welcome back to my another video. I'm Ferga. What do you think about my TikTok dance? It's pretty stiff, right? Let me know in the comment below, am I doing good or not? Anyways, we're not talking about TikTok today. Today we're talking about learning from other creators. Just like I did with the TikTok dance, I opened up TikTok, I saw the video, and then I learned to move my body. Same how we want to create a video or a film, we need to learn from others first, be creative, and then find our style. Here is the very crucial and must do when you want to learn. Do you ever wonder how good other creators transition at movement or that kind of smooth edited video, but the video is too fast for you to catch up the whole idea? The first thing to do is download that video, import it to Premiere. Oh yeah, if you haven't know how to use a Premiere, I'll link up above here how to use a Premiere and edit using Premiere. After you import that video, play it frame by frame. So you can nail the transition at the movement. Now. Is it a good word for describe it? Whatever. This might sound crazy or stupid for you, but this is how I learned the transition at the movement from other creators. Anyways, my hand cannot stop moving. Yes, this is from me today, guys. I hope you learned something new. Remember to hit the like button if you like this video or the TikTok dance. And this is kinda random, right? But I just want to show you. The view is amazing here in Bali. And remember to subscribe if you aren't. And let's meet again in another video.